What's up, guys? It's February 25th, 2018, and I'm here today and bought all the replacement parts for my Karma GoPro drone. Those of you who know me know I crashed my drone on Easter Sunday. So this here is the gimbal that is broken. GoPro doesn't sell this individually, right? This is about 300 bucks alone, but you have to buy a Karma GoPro stick with it. So I have two of those. As you can see, here's a new replacement part, 300 bucks. It came with the stick here, and here is my old stick. Now I have two sticks. Lucky me. Here, broke this. That's 50 bucks for the arm, and all the propellers came right off it as well, which the arm's 50 bucks. These here are 20 bucks a piece, 300 for the gimbal, so we're about 400 bucks or so. So we're gonna try to take this thing apart and hopefully get it back flying again. So we'll see what happens. All right, first things first, take the battery out, right? Put that to the side. Got pretty scratched up when it took the crash, so we'll put that to the side. Oh, this thing's seen better days, huh? There's 4 screws, right? So you're supposed to take this little screwdriver they give you and take the screws out. Let's see what happens. So next, this black piece right here has 2 screws. Both these screws have to come off and take out this little plastic part. All right, both of these screws are out now, and down inside this hole, way down in there, there's a little release that you're supposed to be able to use this little tool and just kind of stick it down in there. We'll see what happens there. Alright, take this little guy, push it down inside the hole here, and then you can just pull this little harness out, and now you just kind of feed that through this hole, unscrew that next screw, and you pop it in. Try it out. Whew. Getting a little warm in here. That was a little tough one right there. Alright. There should be a screw inside here that you just undo. And supposedly you can just keep on spinning and the screw will never come out, but the arm will come off, which I think I got right there. So let's see, that should well come out just like that. Feed that through the hole. Voila, there it is, your broken arm off. Alright, your replacement arm, which is right here. Oh, total disappointment. Total disappointment. I was taking my drone apart. I bought a new arm for it, and guess what I did? Like an idiot, I bought the wrong arm. So right now, I've got this mess all over the table. The whole drone's apart, right? To replace this piece right here, which online I thought was this piece, but obviously it's not, because this leg goes that way, this leg goes that way, and right now I'm a little pissed off. So I guess what I'm doing, buying another leg. Stay tuned.